Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, the 2025 edition. Whether you are a business owner, marketer, or sales manager looking to level up your customer relationship game, this review will break down everything you need to know: features, pros, cons, and whether it's right for you. So let's jump right in. What is Dynamics 365 CRM? Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is part of Microsoft's larger suite of business apps. It is designed to manage customer data, automate sales processes, boost marketing campaigns, and improve customer service. The 2025 version brings tighter AI integration, better teams, and Copilot compatibility, and enhanced automation, making it one of the most powerful CRMs out there, especially for mid to enterprise businesses. Key features. Now let's break down the key features you get in 2025. Number one, Sales Hub. Automates workflows, scores leads, and now includes generative AI summaries of customer interactions. Customer service, a unified dashboard with AI powered case suggestions and chatbots. Marketing, strong automation tools and integration with LinkedIn and Dynamics customer insights. Field service, ideal for remote teams, now with predictive maintenance capabilities. Copilot integration, write emails, generate reports, and build segments using natural language. Microsoft is really leaning into AI to make the user experience smarter and safer. What is new in 2025? 2025 brings some major upgrades. AI driven suggestions, for example, from pipeline opportunities to customer sentiment analysis, AI helps you decide what to do next. Deeper team integration. Collaborate directly from CRM records during live meetings. Unified customer profile. Sales, marketing, and support all pull from the same real time profile. Real time analytics. Power BI dashboards are more embedded and actionable than ever. These upgrades are a big deal, especially for teams that rely heavily on data and collaboration. Pros and cons. Alright, let's break down the pros. Number one, native integration with Microsoft 365, Teams, Outlook, strong customization and scalability, excellent AI powered features, unified platform for sales, marketing, and service, robust security and compliance. But of course, nothing is perfect. And for the cons, it has a steep learning curve for beginners, can get expensive as you add more modules, overkill for small businesses, setup and customization often require professional help. So while it's powerful, it is not the easiest CRM to master out of the box. Pricing. Sales Professional starts at $65 per user per month, Sales Enterprise at $95 per user per month, Customer Service from $50 per user per month, Marketing starts at $1,500 per tenant per month. You can mix and match modules, but keep in mind, costs add up quickly. There are also discounts if you bundle services or use Microsoft 365 enterprise tools. Now, who is it for? Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is best for mid to large businesses already using Microsoft products. It shines for companies that need advanced automation, strong analytics, and scalable tools across departments. If you are a startup or a small business, the complexity and cost might outweigh the benefits. Something like HubBoost or Zoho might be a better fit. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.